So, you have an idea. You want to start a car wash. That is a great start, but an idea without a plan is just a dream. It floats around with no direction. You need to give it roots. You need to give it a path to follow. A business plan does not have to be a 100-page document that no one ever reads. It can be short. It can be simple. It can be something you create in a few minutes to bring clarity to your vision. This guide will show you how to build that simple, powerful plan using a car wash as our example. Think of it as the first bucket of water you throw on your business idea to wash away the dust and see its true shine. Forget everything you have heard about complicated business plans. Forget the jargon. Forget the endless spreadsheets. We are going to boil it down to the essentials. Your goal is to create a document that you can understand. It is a document you can use to explain your idea to a friend, to a potential partner, to a small lender. A good plan is a tool for thinking. It forces you to answer the tough questions before you spend a single dollar. It is your roadmap. You would not start a long drive without looking at a map, would you? The same logic applies to starting a business. This plan is your GPS for success. The beauty of a simple plan is its agility. It is not set in stone. It is a living document. As you learn more about your customers and your market, you will change it. You will adapt. A 5-minute plan is easy to update. A colossal, complex plan gathers dust on a shelf. We are building a tool, not a monument. The purpose is action, not admiration. For our car wash example, we will create a one-line elevator pitch to anchor our thinking. Quick Clean Car Wash gives busy drivers a fast, eco-friendly wash for a fair price. So, let's get started. Your journey to becoming a car wash owner begins right now with these simple, actionable steps. Do not overthink it. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for progress. The goal is to get your thoughts out of your head and onto paper where you can see them, test them, improve them. By the end of this guide, you will have a tangible plan that transforms your car wash dream into a concrete, achievable goal. This is not just an exercise. It is the first real step in building your own enterprise. Let's make it happen. Every great plan starts with a summary. Think of it as the movie trailer for your business. Short, exciting, and to the point. For our example, it looks like this. Quick Clean Car Wash will open in June in a high-traffic area, serving busy commuters and local families. We are seeking $15,000 for equipment and initial setup costs, and project to be profitable within our second year. Next, describe your business and set clear, measurable goals. For example, we are an automated express exterior car wash. Our goals are to achieve an average of 50 washes per day by month 3 and reach a monthly gross profit of $3,000 by the end of year 2. Now, what are you selling? Keep your services simple. Customers should understand your offerings in seconds. A simple menu might include a basic wash for $8, a full wash for $15, and a monthly wash pass for $50 to build loyalty and predictable revenue. Then explain your unique selling proposition. Why should customers choose you? For Quick Clean, our advantage is twofold. We're fast with a wash under 5 minutes, and we're eco-friendly, using a water reclamation system. This is a key part of our brand. Your operations plan ensures you can deliver. This means reliable equipment and clear daily procedures for maintenance and customer service. Great services mean nothing if nobody knows you exist. You don't need a massive budget, just smart, targeted ideas. Focus on local visibility. A bold sign is your best tool. Use simple social media to run small targeted ads, and partner with nearby businesses for free cross-promotion. Retain customers with a simple loyalty program, like a free wash after 10 visits, and make the sales process effortless with an automated kiosk that accepts cards and cash. Now for the money. This doesn't have to be complicated. You just need a simple, realistic overview. First, your startup costs, the one-time investment to open. For Quick Clean, we estimate $15,000. Next, your monthly operating costs to keep the lights on. We estimate $2,500. This simple math shows the model is viable. If our goal is 40 customers a day at $8 each, that's $8,000 in monthly revenue. Subtract your costs, and you have a gross profit of $5,500. Of course, These are just estimates. But now you have a plan. It's simple, clear, and actionable. Your next step is to take one small piece and start working on it today. Start your car wash plan now.